Flyers, welcome back to the Early Bird. I'm your host, Griffin Yarmaloff, and alongside me is the man, Brad Marchand.
You know what? I'll take it. What's up, guys?
We have a shorter episode for you today, so let's roll the intro. So the Bruins have been absolutely killing it lately. I mean, we have had two hat-tricks in 2 games, Pasternak last night, and then you the night before. So how do you get all those goals against the Capitals? What
Okay.
flaws were in their defense?
So here's the deal here. I'm just really like that.
Yeah.
Basically, long story short. So, I just get on the ice, just
You're
do my thing,
moving the puck.
and yeah, I just get work done. I'm really that guy,
Yeah. Are you like a big board guy, or did you try to hit the middle?
Man, I don't even know. I
Yeah.
just do whatever's on my mind,
just
like
play
I'm
hockey.
Marchand. So
That's all we got to do. Well, thank you for this amazing interview, Brad Marchand. And now live in the studio with the pledge is Brad Marchand.
This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
For all those who don't know, Brad Marchand is Canadian. All right, Flyers, we have one announcement to make.
Get
so
it,
let's
eh?
roll it over to the announcement podium.
The class of 2024 is going. Oh, is this my turn? Shit. The class of 2024 is having a bake sale.
It's gonna be on Monday the 18th and Thursday the 20th.
And there's going to be more information about pricing and what we're selling on our Instagram, at Flyers2024, so please follow that.
Good luck on midterms.
That's all for today's episode of Early Bird. If you want to watch it again or watch any of the other episodes again, you can find it on our YouTube or on our Instagram bio at Framingham High Studios. Have a great day, Flyers, and remember the Early Bird gets the worm.